Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start right away by powering down and removing the ear cushions to reveal the hinge assembly. Use a plastic pry tool to lift the rim gently, then keep screws in a labeled container so nothing gets mixed up. Once done, remove visible hinge screws with the correct driver while supporting the cup to prevent tension on cables. You do this because uncontrolled force breaks plastic clips. Steady hands and the right tools avoid extra damage and make reassembly straightforward. You now examine the hinge closely, looking for stripped screws, worn pins, or cracked plastic tabs. This tells you whether to replace parts or reinforce. If a pin is damaged, swap it with a match-size replacement. If plastic is cracked, apply a tiny amount of high-strength or food-safe epoxy to bond and clamp until cured. Once set, reassemble the hinge loosely, check motion, then torque screws incrementally so the hinge moves smoothly without binding. This prevents repeat failure and preserves alignment. You finish by reassembling in reverse order, making sure internal cables sit in their channels and screws go back to original locations. This preserves fit and prevents pinching. Once reinstalled, move the hinge through its full range several times to seat parts, and tighten screws a hair at a time to hit the right tension. If you hear creaks or see looseness, stop and disassemble to inspect the repair, often tightening, replacing the pin, or reapplying epoxy fixes lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.